So today we are going to discuss about memoir. What is memoir? So this word memoir, it is derived from the Latin word. Okay, this word, it has been taken from the Latin word. Latin word is memoria. Memoria, which means memory. So memoir means memory. And now it is very clear to you that what memoir means maybe. So never forget this word memory. Memoir is a literary work. It is a short biographical sketch. Okay, short and biographical, or we can say that it is a record, a short record, or it is an account of events from personal knowledge. Because it is a memory, so it may be a record or it may be an account of events, of incidents from personal knowledge. It is a short record in literary language of the life history of a person, and it is written by someone that is maybe with first hand knowledge, means it may be written by that person who himself has taken an experience, who himself has those kinds of memory. So it may be written by himself or by another person. So with first hand knowledge, whose life history is begin, that is sketched. So it depends on the writer whether he is writing about his own memories or he is writing about the time or the memories which he passed with another person. So memoir, that is a short record. It is a record of events written from personal knowledge or from reliable information. It emphasizes on the people he has known or he has met, means the writer, he always emphasizes on the people or on those incidents or events he has known himself or he has met or he has experienced or he has witnessed, because it is a memory. So whatever he is writing, he is taking the help of his those days or those experiences or those memories which he had in his mind. So it is a record. We can say that this kind of literary, because it is a literary works, so this kind of memory, this record is not kept systematically because it is a memory, so it is not possible for us to always to have this in our mind systematically, because we can forget and we cannot remind what all happened, when and where. So the record is not kept systematically, means the events may be in disorder and the chronological sequence of events is not taken into account. So there may be a mistake in the system of the events or the chronological order, the chronological sequence is also or cannot be found. So this is why that it is memoir. And Richard Baxter, the best example we have here of Richard Baxter's, that is breviary of the life of Mark and Baxter. It came in 1681 because it memorializes his wife's passion for spirituality. So it is memoir, a literary work based on the memory of the writer himself.